right, guys. Hello, hi, guys. We have to give grade 8 and 9 some. We need to give grade 8 and 9 some equal time. All right. I cannot always come here and dismiss the little ones, eh? The little ones. All right. So, mom and dad, please go grab your grade 8 and 9. If there's a grade 8 and 9, please share the live with grade 8s and 9s because I need to spend a little bit of time with these guys, with the little ones, They also need equal time, guys. I do want to say to those who were hoping to come into my live, hoping that I would be doing grade 10 or grade 9, I mean grade 10 specifically. Guys, can I just invite you guys to use my YouTube channel, please, because there's a lot of content that I've been covering in the past few days. Some of you maybe have gotten snapshots of that content, but like the full content that I've been covering of work, whether it be Maths Paper 1, grade 10, Maths Paper 2, grade 10, everything is on my YouTube channel. Okay, right now I need to give grade 8 a chance. Like I need to give them a chance. All right, so please, guys, allow me to do so. Send the live, share the live with any grade 8 and 9 that you know. Parents, if your kids are just lazing around and they are on the phone, please invite them. Come, let them come to your phone. Let them come and watch this live. Okay, if they are going to be writing Maths Paper 1 at some point, then yeah, this is the live they need to be attending right now. I'll be starting shortly. This is for grade 8s and grade 9s, but it's specifically for grade 8 because it contains content for grade 8. So let them come, guys. I'm inviting grade 8s to come to the live. Come to the live. Grade 8, I'm waiting for you. I need to get at least some comments in the comment section that are saying, grade 8. I am in grade 8, sir. I am in grade 8. Grade 8. I need grade 8s here. I need grade 8s. Grade 9s can also benefit from this live because much of the content that grade 8s and grade 9s cover is very similar. They are just minor deviations there and there. But for the most part, grade 8s and 9s, same work, same thing. So please, guys, grade 8s and I need grade 8s and 9s. I just need grade 8s and 9s. Stepper? Hello, Stepper. Are you well?
Yeah.
Are you in grade 8, Stepper?
Yes.
And have you written maths yet?
I don't hear you.
Have you written maths at school? Are you writing exams, Step? You have not written maths?
Yes.
Okay, so I need you to help me. Are you going to help me?
Yes, I help you.
You're gonna help me answer the questions. Okay. All right, Step. Here is the questions. Grade 8, guys. Grade 8s, grade 8s. I need grade 8s. So please, if you are asking when am I going to be doing grade 9, remember grade 8 and 9 work to a large degree is the same. So if you can answer this question paper, then it means for your grade 9 work, there's a lot that you can do. Okay, Stepper, can you see can you see the question on your screen, the first one?
Yes.
What is it saying? Can you read for me? Here, step 1. Stepper disappeared. Okay, let's get someone else.
For
Hello?
X.
Solve for X.
Hello.
Are you in grade 8, my guy? I need to confirm that.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Are you sure you're not just you're not just trying to eat the children's food?
No, I'm in grade 8.
Okay, because there is some people they want to come here and eat the children's food. I don't want people eating children's food, okay?
Sure.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. All right. Can I ask you one question before you proceed? I can see you are ready, like you are ready to battle. Um, term one, term one. You did very well, Mosne.
No, no, no.
No, 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 no. So can you just give me an idea? What was the level for term one for maths?
5.
Level five. Okay. So what does doing very well mean to you?
Level 7.
Level seven. Okay. In grade seven, you were getting level seven. Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah. So things have changed now in high school.
Correct.
Okay, I get. Then I'm hoping, my guy, we can go back to that place. Okay, let's go back to that place. Because you see, and the reason why I'm asking you this, ne, is because I don't know. It's like something magical happens to our grade sevens when they come from primary. They do very well, and then they come to grade seven. I mean grade eight, and then it's like, Haibo, something magical happens. They don't do as well as they used to. So we want to get rid of that tradition. So that's why I'm asking you that question. I want to sensitize those people who are listening, who are in grade 8 and 9, to really pay attention to what is happening here so that they don't miss out on what is happening. So what can I call you? What can I call you for today's session? So I can call you by a particular name. It doesn't have to be your real name, or maybe it's your, I don't know, just a nickname.
Whatever you prefer to call me.
Come on, give me a name. Do you have a nickname, maybe?
No.
Okay, because I want to be able to address you so that I can say so and so. It's just that I can't see a name here on the screen. Okay, no, it's fine. I'll just call you Jay. It's okay. All right. So the first question says solve for x. Have you done solve for x already at school?
Yes.
Okay, then give it to me, my guy. How do we go about solving for x if the equation is given 8 over x is equal to 2? So 8 over x is equal to 2. What is the value of x? Ninja. Someone is recommending that I call you Ninja. So what is the value of x, Ninja? Red beam is like IBO teacher. IBO teacher for what? What's happening now? Okay, Ninja disappeared. Okay. Okay, your UMSI. Hello. Seems like my grade 8s are very shy.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm doing phenomenal. I'm doing very well. Are you in grade 8?
Yes.
Okay, can we answer this question for me? It's a multiple choice question. Solve for x in 8 over x is equal to 2. Okay, solve for x in 8 over x is equal to
4.
8 over?
8 over 4.
So in other words, you are saying x is supposed to be equal to who?
4.
4. Okay, all right. So let us see our options that we have there. They say A, 2, B, 4, C, 8, D, 10. So you said x is equal to what? To 4.
B.
So it's B, right? Wow, good job. I am so proud of you. Straight up. When you are lying to me, you are not in grade 8. Come on, tell me the truth.
Serious. Serious.
I don't believe you.
Hey, Bo.
When you must be in grade 12, you.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm still
All
young.
right. So very good then. Good job. You've answered the first question 100% correct. You see? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so the first one was solve for x. Let's look at this one. Namtla is asking, how did we get 4? Okay, so how did you get 4? Is it your UMSI? Do I call you your Umsi?
It's a nickname, yes, you can call me like that.
No, it's fine. I'll call you that. Your Umsi. Someone is asking, Namsha in the comment section is asking, how did you get 4? How did you do it, your Umsi?
I use a calculator.
Use a calculator. So how did you just tell me using your calculator? What did you do? What did you say there in your calculator? What did you type?
I said 8 divided by 2, and then I got the answer of
8 divided by
4,
what?
and then by 2.
Oh, 8 divided by 2. Okay. And then?
Yes. And then it was 4, and then I did the fraction, and then I said 8 over 4, and then it said equals to 2. That's how I got my answer.
I hear you. Thank you so much. Wow, I like that method. So you said 8 divided by 2. Then you got an answer that is 4. And then that made you say 8 divided by 4, therefore is equal to 2. Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you so much for that. So what we must understand from what Namsha has said, it's very important. This 8, the line for the fraction means division. Okay? The line, I see, just know, some people just know because they look at the thing, they see it by inspection, 8 divided by what is equal to 2. Then they say 8 divided by 4. So this line here means division, guys. Okay? So when you see a line for a fraction, you must look at it in a new way. This is 8. The line means division. So it's 8 divided by what? By 2, by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is what gives us 2. Okay, and that's very important. So the reason why, obviously, the answer here, we are just looking at selecting the answer because it's multiple choice. So x is equal to 4. Let's move on, guys, to the next question. This one. Yo, Umsi, can you see the next question?
I can see it.
Okay. What is it saying?
It says I should simplify.
Simplify what? Can you read what it's saying you must simplify? What does this mean? What is this?
Square root of.
No. Be careful. This is the what? You see, there's a 3 there, not a 2. So what do we call this? What kind of root has a 3?
It's right down. There's a mom.
I love this. Okay, guys. So this is a cube root. Okay, it's a cube root. Ne? Cube root. Okay. So it's a cube root. So the cube root of 27. They're asking what is the cube root of 27 plus 3 squared. That's what they are asking us. So they are saying we must simplify. Okay. We need to simplify the cube root of 27. Let me invite someone else to come and see if they can help me out. Let me be Tseho can help me here. Let's see if Tseho can help me. Let's give Mamsi, your Umsi, a chance. I see what you are saying in the comment section. Just want to give someone an audible voice. Tseho.
Hello.
How are you, Tseho?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I am doing well. So good to have you.
It's good to be here.
Okay, Tseho, I have a question for you. You need to help me out there with 1.2. Your Umsi helped me out so well with 1.1. Now I need someone else to sort of like help me with 1.2. Your Umsi, can you just mute your mic then? Your Umsi. Yeah, just can you mute your mic there for a little? Okay, Tseho, can you help me out here? I need to simplify the cube root of 27 plus 3 squared. So how do I go about getting that?
Honestly, I don't know.
Okay, honestly, you don't know. Thank you for your honesty. I really appreciate that. So the cube root.
Can I please answer the question?
Okay, yeah, you can go ahead, your Umsi. You were away, so
The
I thought
answer
to myself.
Sorry, the answer of the cube root is 3, and then when you plus it with the exponent of 3 to the exponent of 2, the answer is 12.
Okay, but what is you said the cube root of 27 is 3. That's correct. What is 3 squared? What is the answer for 3 squared?
9.
Okay, it is 9. Very good. Okay, what is 3 plus 9?
12.
Exactly. Okay. So when we actually answer it, let's say we are given this as a question and they say simplify, we need to show our steps. We can't just write the answer. Okay. When they say simplify, they want to see you show step by step how you got to the answer. So for instance, the cube root of 27. Okay, the cube root of 27, remember 27 is like saying 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, that's like multiplying 3 by itself this number of times. So if you're asking then what is the cube root of 27, then it means that the cube root of 27, what number is being repeated the number of times that you see here? It is the number 3. And you want the what? The cube root. So therefore, the answer of the cube root of 27 is 3. Okay. Then here, 3 squared. What is 3 squared? 3 squared is the same thing as saying 3 times 3. So what is 3 times 3? That is actually equal to 9. Then you add these two numbers. So it becomes so important for you to show the answer 3, the number 9, and then finally the answer 12. So that really and truly we can say, oh, this person really knows what they were doing. So if we come to our options, we had simplify, and we had how many options that we could choose from? 4. A, 36. B, 9. C, 12. D, 15. So what is the correct answer there?
C.
Exactly, it is C. All right. And we were able to work it out first before we went and circled the correct answer. So this is important. Okay, when you do multiple choice questions, it's not just about I know how some of us do it. We do the and then we land on some sort of letter and we think, well, it must be God sent that choice. We can't be doing multiple choice like that. We need to work out and simplify, then we select the correct option. Okay. All right. So I hope we are good so far. Do you have any questions, Tseho?
No, I'm sorted.
Are you sure? You sorted?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let's move on then to the next question. Let's see. Convert 2/5 into a percentage. Any ideas, Tseho, on how we would do this one? Convert 2/5 into a percentage. What are your thoughts?
Our lecturer hasn't taught this to us yet.
Okay, all right. Then that's fine. So this is an opportunity for us to learn. Does your UMSI know? Your UMSI. Okay, let's see if we can't get someone else in on here. We've got Elihle Ikamva. Let's see. Hachalu, I saw what you've typed there in the comment section. I see what you've typed there in the comment section. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for your attempt there. I see that. I behold that. Okay, this person has been saying, please add me, please add me, please add me. Okay, here we are. We've added you. Hello.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good, sir.
What grade are you in? Let's be honest about that. No lies, please.
Grade 8.
Epic. You've got a very deep voice, eh?
Yeah.
So it's breaking through, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. What, do you sing in the choir or something?
No, I'm just a student.
Just a student. So you don't sing in the choir?
I don't.
All right. That's a pity. Okay, there we go. Convert 2 over 5 into a percentage. How do we go about it, my guy?
So
Bobo, thank you
like
so much.
we get 2 out of 5,
Yes,
which is 2 divided by 5. That will give us
yes.
a 0.4.
All right.
Then times 100%, which will give us 40%.
Okay, so the concept there is that when we are wanting to convert a fraction into a percentage, we simply multiply that what? That fraction by the total percentage that we know. Guys, I mean, if you are writing a test, what is the highest percentage that you can get for that particular test? It's 100, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we measure things in total of 100. So therefore, we say 2 over 5. So whatever the fraction is, if we multiply it by 100, what that actually does, it actually makes it so that we can get the percentage of that particular fraction. Yeah. So I like for instance the fact that you've basically said 0.4. We multiply that by 100. You converted the 2 over 5 to a decimal number, and then you multiply it by 100. But it's also fine to say 2 over 5 to write the fraction as it is, and then to get the actual value. We know that 5 goes into 100 how many times? How many times does 5 go into 100? Let's just think about it without using the calculator. How many times does 5 go
20.
into 100?
20.
20 times, right?
Yeah.
Then we say 20 times the 2. What's 20 times 2?
40.
Exactly. So that's how we can easily be able to even mentally get the answer to the conversion of that fraction. So let me really commend you for answering that very nicely. Now let's check. We have options here. Convert 2 over 5 into a percentage. A is 40, B is 50, C is 20, and then D is 80. So the appropriate one is
A.
A, exactly. Okay, good job. Okay, now, hello. Now this is a very fun one. This is a very fun one. 1.4. Okay. In scientific notation, 150,000 will be written as. Now, let me allow you to basically first tell me what you think, okay, or what you would conclude we can write 150,000 as in scientific notation.
I would write it as 1.5 times 10 power 5.
Okay, 1.5 times 10 to the power 5. That's what you are saying. How did you get there?
Well, we divide by 10 once, twice, thrice, 4 times, then the 5th time when it gets between 1.5, like the main number that isn't a 0 coming into a number that is above a 0, we put that times 10 power the number of 10s we have divided.
Okay, wow, beautiful. I like your explanation. Okay, so let me try and break it down for some of the people that are watching in the live and who are probably like, okay, I hear what he is saying, but like, what does it actually mean? So let us then take this number as it is. Okay, what you have said, I agree with 100%. Okay, I agree with your answer. And for that, I want to clap for you, okay, because I agree with that answer. So if I was to then open up the options, A, B, and C, which answer would actually be a representation of scientific notation of 150,000? Would it be A, 15 times 10 to the power 5, B, 0.15 times 10 to the power 7, C, 1.5 times 10 to the power 5, or D, 1.5 times 10 to the power negative 5?
C.
It would be C, right? Okay. And so what I want to emphasize here is that how do we get a number to be expressed in scientific notation? Remember, guys, that scientific notation is all about writing a number, all right? A number that is, so if we say A is that particular number, this number must be a number between 1 and 10. Okay, that's the first thing. The number must be between 1 and 10. So it must be a product of a number between 1 and 10 and a power of 10. Okay, so this A represents any number between 1 and 10. Then it must be multiplied by a power that has a base of 10 raised to a particular exponent. Now, this exponent can be any integer. And by integer, what do we mean? We mean any positive or negative whole number. Okay? In other words, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to infinity. We go back negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. We are increasing and decreasing by the value of 1 as we go up and down. Those are all our integer values. So scientific notation is writing very big or very small numbers as a product of a number between 1 and 10 and a base 10 raised to a particular exponent. So as you explained, all right, if we look at where our decimal is for this particular number, we are currently situated. I just want to write this number a bit bigger. We are currently situated here. That's where the decimal is. It's at the end of the number. If it's a very big number, the decimal is at the end. Okay. So what you then do is you move the comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And why specifically do you move it 5 times in this direction? It's because you want to be able to get the number to be between 1 and 10. And the number that's between 1 and 10 is actually what? 1, 5. So if you move that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to the left, then it means you have 1, 5. But how many times did we move to the left? We moved how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore it will be times 10 to the power 5. That is a conversion from a big number to a product of a number between 1 and 10, which is 1, 5, and a power of 10. Okay, so I hope that's clear for us for that particular question. Okay, if there are any questions about this question, then I'm hoping the questions will be asked by those who are watching, and you will have the courage to so do if you have a particular question. But as far as that number 4 is concerned, that's how we write that in scientific notation. Let's move on. Next question. Okay, now guys, like I said, let's go back to your UMSI. Your UMSI, here is another question here. I hope we are all okay here. Those who are my guests at the moment, we are all good with what we've done so far. Any questions, any comments, any cries, any queries, anything at all?
No,
So we can proceed. You good, eh? You good, you good. Okay. Let's go to 1.5. Okay. Temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. And then it rises by 15 degrees Celsius. What will the temperature be? All right. So can we go to Tseho? Tseho, what do you think about 1.5? What are your thoughts? Temperature is 7 degrees. It rises by 15 degrees. What will the temperature be? Okay, is everybody still here, guys? Are we here?
Yes, we're here.
Yeah, so any thoughts, Tsecho?
Oh, was I muted? Okay.
Temperature.
I said the initial temperature is 7 degrees, right? So you're gonna
Yes.
add 15 degrees to 7 degrees, and it's gonna give you 22 degrees. So that's the answer.
Okay, the initial, I loved what you said. The initial temperature. What does the word initial mean? You'd be shocked, like I liked how you said it. What does the word initial mean?
Like, yeah, I don't know how to put it.
Yeah. So you've got very good English, by the way. Initial.
Yeah.
That's yeah. So initial means the temperature at the beginning. All right. Yeah. Initial means has to do with where we started. So where we start at the beginning, introduction type deal. So 7 degrees is the beginning temperature where we're starting. Then we said that it rises. So you said we're going to add 15 degrees. And that's very good because that means you've interpreted the word rise to mean addition. And that's true. Okay. 7 degrees rises by 15. So then you said the answer will be
22 degrees Celsius.
very good. 22 degrees Celsius. And me, I want to give you a round of applause. We can go down and check what are the multiple choice options that we have. A, B, C, D. So what is the option here that is appropriate then?
It's B.
Very good. Okay. That's the second round of applause. Okay. Good job, Tsecho. Go, Tsecho.
Thank you.
Okay. 1.6. Haha. Hey, let's summon someone else. I want someone else. I want to invite someone else here. Guys, thank you I really appreciate you guys that have answered, like the people that are on the panel at the moment. If you will allow me, I want to call someone else. But please be in grade 8. Don't come here and eat the children's cake. Because if you come here and eat the children's cake, I am not going to be happy. Amkhela. Amo. Oh, Amo.
Hi, sir.
How are you, Amo?
I am good, and yourself?
I am very well. Don't tell me you are here to eat the children's food.
No, I'm not.
What grade are you in? Look at the answer that Amo is going to give me. What grade are you in, Amo?
I am in grade 9.
Amen. So grade 9. Okay, no, you're fine. You are well within your rights to be here. I just hope you are not in grade 10 and you are just pretending to be in grade 9, Amo. Okay.
No, really, sir, I'm in grade 9.
You can see. Okay, thank you so much. No problem. You can see what's on your screen, right?
Yes.
Yes. So please lead me, oh dear one. How many terms in the given expression? Okay, let me just add something here that there is a minus sign in between there. Okay, sorry about that. How many terms are in this expression? Oh dear, Amokhel.
Can I answer that?
I know you want to answer, Tsecho. Can we just give Amkhelo a chance? Then if Amkhelo defects, then we'll come to you. Amo. Okay, Amo is muted there now. Okay, Tsecho, go ahead. You can answer this question, especially because you are dying to answer.
Yeah, there are 4 terms there.
Okay, you are saying, Tsecho, there are 4 terms. Okay,
Whoa,
why
minus.
are you saying? Yeah,
Okay.
that's minus this one.
Okay, hold on. Let me do something real quick.
Okay, do something real quick. Whilst you are doing something real quick, let me check the comment sections. Okay, let's see. People have said 5 terms. Kwanele Pedro is saying 5. Mahlatse is saying 3. Tommy is saying 4. Samuel is saying 8. Your Umsi is saying 6 or 5. Your Umsi is not sure because you can't be saying 6 or you must choose one. All right. That's like me. That's like me going to the shop and then mommy is like, you only have one choice. You can either get Simba chips, the chutney flavor, or you can get knickknacks. And then I'm like, I want both Simba chips and chutney. And Simba chips and the knickknacks. No, guys, you can't do that. You have to choose one. Especially now in grade 8 and 9. We can't be people that are iffy. We need to be very sure and confident. Sorry, confidence. I think the only reason I read confidence was because of the comment here. You have the answer.
Yes.
Okay. You seem to be so confident about your answer. Okay, let's hear your answer.
There are 3 terms, name. The first one is 2x exponent 2. Then the second one is negative half x. Then the third one is 2s exponent 3 minus y over 3.
Okay. So you said there are 3 terms. All right.
Yes.
But then your explanation for saying it's 3 terms, you said because of what? Why did you say it's 3 terms? I need an explanation.
I said the first term, ne?
Yes, is 2x squared. You said that.
Yes.
Okay. You said the first term is 2x squared. What is the second term? What is the second term? I agree, 2x squared is the first term. The second term is? Okay, Tsecho has gone silent.
Sorry, my network is... Yeah.
Okay, it's going.
Then-
it's doing the thing.
Just let me mute.
Okay, so the second term is?
Because it's giving me problems.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can. Sure. Okay, so guys, I agree. There are 3 terms. Samuel, you wanted to say something? You wanted to explain? Mamsi is saying 6. Samuel?
I say there are 4.
Okay, why are you saying 4? So there's someone else who's saying something else. Okay, why are you saying 4?
Because
Count.
I see 2x squared,
Yes. Okay, that's 1.
then a half x,
Half x, yes.
then I see this 3y minus 3y, that is a 0.
3y minus 3y, that is 0. Okay, all right.
So that's not a term.
Okay. I'm listening.
Then I see this last one being negative y out of 3.
Negative y out of 3. So did you use negative y out of 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're saying in total there are how many terms?
4.
4. Okay. All right, guys, let me just then just help us out here. Okay, Tsecho said 3. Samuel, you are saying 4. Okay, and maybe Tsecho can further explain herself about why 3, because I said to Tsecho, tell me the 3 terms you are talking about. Tsecho?
Okay, yes. The first term is 2 exponent 2. No, 2x
Okay.
exponent 2, name. Then the second one is half x. Then the last term is 2s exponent 3 minus 1 over 3.
Okay, all right. So I hear what you guys are saying. Okay, and Tsecho, I thank you for your answer. Thank you for your explanation as well, Lawrence. Samuel, sorry. I'm saying Lawrence now because Lawrence is like, please accept me, please accept me, please accept me. Okay, let's first get this through and then we'll please accept you. Guys, there are 3 terms in this expression. I want to quickly explain why do we say 3. All right. I would hope that I know you guys are a generation that when you see that things are not working out very well, some of you go to ChatGPT, Meta AI. There's so many AI thingies now. You just type in the thing, we take a picture, you load it up, bam, the answer. All right. But what's important is your understanding of when we are talking about terms, how do we see that terms are separated? What makes us see that terms are combined? What makes us see that terms are grouped? So 2x squared, you guys are 100% correct who have been saying 2x squared is our first term. This minus sign separates this entire bracket. Okay, brackets group terms. Okay, so we don't have to simplify, guys. All we need to do is count. 1, that's one term. Minus will separate. Separate what? Separate this term from this one. So this is one entire term. Why are we saying it's one entire term? It's because brackets, they group terms. So however many terms you have inside, doesn't matter if you want to simplify it or not, however many terms you have within this bracket, doesn't matter how many, the brackets group those terms so that we account for one term because of the brackets. Brackets group. So this is 1. You count this bracket as one term. Then you have a plus sign. Okay, so far we have how many terms? 1, the minus sign separates. 2, okay? Then this plus sign separates. Separates what? The fraction. So a fraction doesn't matter how many terms you have in the numerator, doesn't matter how many terms you have in the denominator. A fraction always is considered as one term. So when we count how many terms we have in the expression, we can count 1, the bracket is 2, the entire thing, and then that is 3. Because a fraction, a single fraction, always accounts as one term. Doesn't matter how many terms you have in the numerator or the denominator, it will always be one term. Okay, a fraction is one term. It accounts as a single term. So Tseho, I agree with your answer. Maybe the explanation for me, I would have wanted maybe a more meaty explanation. So we must understand this thing. What separates terms? Plus and minus. What combines terms? Multiply and divide. Brackets, if you have brackets around however many terms inside the bracket, a bracket will always account as one term. If you have, the minute there's brackets around those terms, you know that you can account for the entire expression as being one term. And then fractions. A fraction is a single term, guys. Single, single, single. Doesn't want to mingle. Single, single, single. Doesn't want to mingle. Single, single, single. Okay, so let's go to 1.7. Knowing that 1.6, the option that would be correct would be A. Are we together, ne?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's go to 1.7. 1.7 is crying for you. Yeah, let's do this one. If x is equal to minus 2, now I'm going to give you 3 minutes in your own space. Please try and put, do this, count it and get the answer. And then I'm going to ask you in like 3 minutes to actually respond. It says if x is equal to minus 2, find the value of x squared plus 2x minus 3. So let me give you 2 minutes. Time now is 7:18. At 7:20, I will then ask for your responses, and then I'll be happy to hear what you guys have to say. In the comment section, please don't comment just yet. Go ahead and actually write it down, find it out, figure it out, and then let me know once you get an answer. Then we can compare and see what different people are saying. Okay. Wow, the night is really spamming there in the comment section. Please accept me, please accept me, please accept me. Junior, I got it. Very good, Junior. Very good, Junior. The night. Your Umsi already has an answer. That was very quick. Your Umsi. Puma or Smart, I got it too. Me too. Khamo Endle, accept me. You guys are killing me so bad. Khamo Endle. Khamo Endle. Yo, Umsi, I know you've got the answer. Let's just give Khamo, is it Khomo or Khomo Endle? Khomo?
Yeah,
Khomo, how are you?
good, and you say?
I am doing brilliant. I think I'm doing even better than you, Khomo. No, I'm just
Maybe.
kidding. I wouldn't know. Let's see if you will give me the correct answer. If you will do better than me. Okay? If you actually got -2, you got the answer?
Mo-
Khomo?
Wait a minute, sir.
Me, I'm excited to accept because someone is saying, please accept me. But then it's like, bam, hello. Okay, good that you've got it. So your Umsi has got it. Samuel has got it. Okay, your Umsi, you up. Okay, Motowama Keke got the answer. LMR got the answer. Hello, Sekhameti. Okay, Homo. My mom is shouting. Okay, your Umsi is saying it's 11. Roblox, thank you so much for the compliment. Homo, do you have an answer for us? I am waiting so patiently for your answer, dear.
I think I know the answer.
Homo. Okay, Tsecho, take a shot. Hello, Samuel. Charity, hope you're good. Sekhameti, thank you. Not seeing
Even
for
if
long.
it's wrong, ne, I'm just trying. Ne? But I think
No,
the answer
that's
is negative
what we are
3.
here for. Your answer is -3. So how did you get
Yes.
it? Let's see step by step. How did you get your answer? Tsecho?
Okay.
I want
I
you to show me steps. I want to write down.
I substituted x with -2 everywhere.
Okay, and when you substitute, just tell me what I need to write. I'm going to write down what you say.
Okay. In brackets, put -2.
In brackets, put -2. I've done that.
Exponent 2
Exponent 2, yes.
plus 2.
Plus 2, yes.
Then in brackets, put -2
In brackets, I put -2.
minus 3.
I minus the 3. Okay.
Then
Do we
underneath,
all agree? Do we all agree firstly with what Tsecho has beautifully done there? Tsecho, can I just say I'm so proud of the way you've done it. You know why? Most exceptionally so? Because you put your substituted value in brackets. Very, very important. Doing that is at the heart of solving this expression or getting the value of the expression. Okay, next step.
okay. So I wrote 4 plus 2.
4 plus, you said 4 plus 2.
Yes, plus 2.
Did you say 4 plus 2? Okay.
Yes. Then in brackets, I put -2 again.
Okay.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Okay. So I see you. So Seho, can I just? So I see you actually simplified the -2 squared, and you actually prioritized. You made it a point that you do that first. Is there a reason why you did that? Is there a reason why you did that?
Our lecturer taught us like that.
Okay. All right. And what was the explanation, Seho?
Sure. Okay. So
Because your lecture is very good, by the way. You keep on saying it's your lecture. Is that like how you guys address your? Is that like you regard them as lectures?
no,
I've
I
never
regard
heard
them
that.
as lectures.
Oh wow. Oh wow. And why is that, Seho? This is so interesting for me.
I don't know. Like I like that word, and I think it gives them the respect. Yabo.
Oh man. Oh my goodness. Seho. Yeah. Yeah. No, I actually I must say I respect that about you then. That's amazing. Okay. Giving them the respect that is due to them. Okay, so 4 you said, which is great. Okay. The reason why I asked you that is because you can see even in the comment section, I think it was Samuel Chaliti said Bodmas. Okay. Do you know what Bodmas actually like? Do you know what the individual letters
Yes,
actually
yes,
stand for?
yes.
Yeah. So what does the B stand for?
Brackets.
Okay. And then the O?
Order of operations.
Order of operation. Okay. The D?
Division.
M?
Multiplication.
Yeah.
Addition and
A?
subtraction.
Okay, so we get the
Addition.
point.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Good job. All right. So, yeah, beautiful. Now the thing is, in grade 8 and 9, we even emphasize the point that the orders are actually exponents and roots. All right.
Okay.
Exponents and roots. So that's why I appreciate what you did here in this problem, because with your brackets, you prioritized the exponent with the bracket, because BO orders means exponents. That is like the first order of business that you take care of. So that's why I was like, wow, okay, it's like, oh, this is really nice for me to see. Prioritizing the exponent. Okay, because everything else comes next. Division, multiplication, 2 and this bracket is the relationship of multiplication there. That comes later. Then the addition and the subtraction comes much later. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why I'm like, wow, that you actually did that. Okay, so let's continue so that we can get the rest of the answer.
Okay. And then I wrote 2, then in brackets -2 is equal
Yes.
to -4. So underneath I wrote 4 minus 4
4 minus 4
minus 3.
minus 3. Question, how did you get the minus 4?
By adding -2, positive 2 to -2. No,
Positive
multiplying.
Okay, thank you so much. Brackets mean what in maths? They mean
Multiplication.
exactly. So that's why I was saying BO, this is done. The division is not there. So we skip to the multiplication. So that's how we get then the positive 2. Remember, the multiplication of signs, a positive times a negative when multiplied together give us a negative. So that's very good as well. Brilliant. Finally, now we have subtraction alone left behind, no addition. So let's go ahead. What's the answer?
The answer is -3.
Exactly. The answer is definitely -3. It's in our face. So if I had given you, Tejo, the question
yes.
just on its own, if I had given you this question on its own, without it being a multiple choice question, I would expect you, Tejo, to show me these steps. So to the answer, I don't want you to be writing the substitution and then just using the calculator. No. I need to see the steps. so that I can award you the marks that you deserve. Okay.
Okay.
So I like the way that you did it, and that's why I give you a fat big round of applause again. So well done. Okay. So there are your options there. You see?
Yes.
Yeah. And the right option there is
C.
yeah, very true. So for those that are wondering, 4 minus 4, guys, you know is 0. So that leaves you with just the -3, and that's why we get an answer of -3. So C is the correct option. Okay. Right. Okay, Tseho, thank you so much for that. I want to go back to Homo Entle because Homo Entle left me hanging there. Yeah, Homo. Yeah. Let's check out some other. Homo. Homo. Oh, Homo. Homo, are you there? Okay. All right. I think Homo just disappeared there. All right, guys. Yeah. So let us continue. Okay, I have some more multiple choice questions for you because, of course, this is me trying to just get us into warmed up, if you want, warmed up into what is happening. Samuel there in the comment section has been harassing me for days, asking me, "Can I join? Can I join? Can I join?" Let me give him a chance. How are you?
I'm trying, man. How about your side?
No, I'm doing okay. If you come here and you give me nice stuff like Tseho and your Omsi, then I'll be very happy. But if you come here and you then I'm going to cry. You want to see tears from a meniere?
I'll try, man. Don't worry.
Okay, there we have it. Which one of the following numbers represents an irrational number?
Okay.
Let's look first at the options because there's no ways that you can answer, and I have not shown you the options unless you've seen the question.
No, my teacher already explained this topic and I know it. So I think I can
okay.
do it.
I see. Okay, so let's give Samuel a chance, Tseho, because you see he's been harassing me there in the comment section. And hey, you know, when people are harassing you, you must make sure that you obey, otherwise they'll continue. Samuel, here we are. Which one of the following numbers represents an irrational number? A, B, C, or D? Which one?
I think it's A, man.
It's A.
Yeah.
Are you sure, my guy?
I think I'm quite sure.
Are you saying it because of peer pressure there in the comment section? I think it's just Aya.
I think I'm sure, man.
You think you're sure? Okay. Now, I want to ask, why do you say it's A?
Because it cannot be represented in a form of a fraction. Yeah.
It cannot be represented in the form of a fraction. Okay, so you are saying A specifically cannot be represented in the form of a fraction. Tell me more, because if you're saying in the form of a fraction, what if I said the square root of 40 over 1? But isn't this a fraction?
Maybe, man, when
Because you are
maybe when you like put that 40 outside of that square root, it's decimal, so will like will not terminate or like repeat. Yeah.
okay, you're saying it's decimals. Now you're saying more. You are saying something about the decimals of square root of 40. You are saying its decimals will what?
Will not terminate. They do not have a end.
will not terminate. Okay, terminate meaning they won't end. Like we can't round it. It's not when you express it as a decimal, it's not a decimal that is rounded off to a certain place. That's what you are saying by terminate. Most terminating decimals are decimals that stop. It's either they stop at the first decimal place or they stop at the second decimal, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, depending on that decimal place. They stop. Okay, that's what the word terminate. To terminate something means to end it, to bring it to an end. If you terminate a contract, your contract has come to an end. If you terminate, I'm sorry for using this one, terminate a pregnancy, it means you are stopping a pregnancy midway and don't reach full term. Terminate, you know, the word terminate, Terminator even, the movie, Terminator terminates everything, terminates everyone, right? Yeah. So the word terminate, guys, sorry, I was just emphasizing this word terminate. Decimals come to an end. Number at some point comes to an end. That's the word terminate. But, so you said they will not, and you are right. Irrational numbers don't terminate. You said they don't terminate, and what else?
They do not recur.
Will not recur. What does the word recur mean? They do not repeat. So in other words, this cannot be expressed as a decimal where after the comma, the numbers, there's a pattern of repetition of numbers. So this all qualifies as irrational when you are looking at the decimals. But I'm still interested in what you said about the fraction. You said that it cannot be expressed as a fraction. I needed you to say more. What about this fraction would actually mean it's the opposite, the rational number? A rational number can be expressed as a fraction, but this one cannot. What are the components of the numerator and the denominator? What must be in the denominator and the numerator of that fraction for it to be called a rational number? You don't?
Maybe.
I'm not hearing you. Speak. You are saying?
I don't think I have an answer for that. I'm not quite sure. I haven't learned that more.
That's why I'm here, my guy. I'm here for that reason, because I want you to be sure. You see, Samuel, when you leave this life, my guy, you must be like Superman when you go back to school. Like you should have a cape. Those other learners, they must look at you and be like, you don't play around. You know your stuff. You know your business. Yeah. So here is the thing: the fraction. All right. If we are talking about a rational number, we say a rational number is a number that can be expressed as a fraction. If you look at the numerator value must be an integer. Yeah, you know, but you forgot. That's all I wanted. Yeah. And the denominator must also be a what? An integer. But one exception. That integer in the denominator cannot be what? Yeah, it cannot be 0. The numerator value must be an integer value. And remember, guys, integers, this is the family of integers. Midway, you have 0, whole number. You go up by 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can go on to infinity. You are adding 1. Okay, to infinity. You go down, -1, -2, all the way to negative infinity. These are the family of integer values. So integers are whole numbers that include negative numbers. Integers are whole numbers are numbers that start at 0, increase by 1 to infinity. So integers are whole numbers. Okay? Meaning all the whole numbers are there. That start at 0, increase by 1 to infinity. But they include negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3. So these are your integers. So in the numerator, the denominator of the fraction, you must see what? Integers. But in the denominator, we cannot see 0. Are we together? Are you? That one is a very important one. So I need you now to never lack the confidence to tell me what a rational number is and what an irrational number is. So if you know the difference, then you look at the square root of 40, you are like, hi man, if I write the square root of 40 as a fraction, it will be the square root of 40 over 1. 1 at the bottom is an integer, but square root of 40, this one, it's not an integer. So therefore, that means that this is an irrational number. Okay? Okay? Yeah. Kelvix, please, Kelvix, you just joined. So you are obviously going to be lost. Kelvix just joined the live. Okay, now he's spamming in the comment section, I'm lost, I'm lost, I'm lost. Kelvix, my guy, this is not the way to do things. When you are saying you are lost in the comment section, like almost as if like, this thing you are explaining, but you just joined the live. I saw Moss, you just joined. Okay, Moss, you are the one that came a bit late, and late, in fact, late. Now you are spamming the live. I'm sorry. I'm lost. Hi, man. This guy. Where? Okay. All right. So I hope we are good here. So which one of the following numbers represents an irrational number? You were right. I agree with you. Yabo? Samuel. But now I don't agree with the fact that you were not super 100% sure because you lacked just your confidence in remembering this fraction, that it is composed of a numerator that has an integer, a denominator that has an integer, but the denominator cannot be 0. So square root of 40, it's out. It's not this one. It's the only one that is an irrational number. 0, it's rational, this one. 40, it's rational. 40 can be written as 40 over 1. 0 can be written as 0 over 1. Square root of 9. What is the square root of 9, Samuel?
It's 3, man.
Yeah, it's 3. And 3 can be written as 3 over 1. So that one, it's also, it can't qualify. So square root of 40 is the only one that basically is an irrational. Okay. So Samuel, I clap for you, my guy. I want you, because at the end of the day, you did choose the right one. It's just that there were just those aspects that you had forgotten. Otherwise, beautiful man. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your name is Samuel T. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's come down here. I think Tseho, we can come back to you because I know you were dying to give us the answer for number 1.1. You would have said the same answer, Mosi Tseho. Tseho. Okay, saying yes in the comment section. Okay, next one. Which of the following numbers represents a rational number? Okay, let's not speak. We can comment with our answers in the comment section. Let's see what answer will be the most spammed answer in the comment section. Just don't comment, type in the comment section which one of the following numbers, A, B, C, or D, you can type the letter, is rational. Samuel is like first up to answer the question. It's like, I want to show you, sir. I want to show you. Mbalentle, Nico, type, Lawrence, Mahlatse Samuel, saying it's square root of 2, meaning A. Amokhelanga, BBB, Ompile B. It's just Aya. We got B, we got M. Now, who is this? Mvelo Hadebe. Mvelo, I'm going to block you. Yeah. You see, people like you, blockism. Mvelo. What manner of answers are these? There's no letter M here. What manner of answers? What manner of answers are these? Yeah, guys, me, I don't play like that. M for what? Now imagine someone joining my live and they're like, they can see the options are there, A, B, C, D. and then they sing this random person who's commenting M. Then I'm sure the person is like, Aibo, what is this teacher teaching these kids? If the kids are answering M, where is the letter M coming from? What does that say about me? No. Okay, guys, I can see the most spammed letter is B. Woo! All right, good job, guys. All right, most of you know your stuff, right? Rational number, we explained, guys, that a rational number is a number that can be written in the form of a fraction of integers, where the numerator and the denominator are integers, but the denominator cannot be 0. So square root of 2, that one is irrational. Square root of 10, it's irrational. Square root of 25, that is our answer. We have a match. Woo! We have a match, ladies and gents. We have a match. Okay? All right. Next one. Choose the correct value of 30 times 4 times 2. A, B, C, D. Let us spam in the comment section, guys. Mahlatse Samuel, the square root of 2 is not 2. Never. Square root of 2 is 2. Mahlatse, you are having, I think you are confusing. The square root of 4 is 2. Not the square root of 2. It can never be A. All right, please, guys. Yo. Which one of the following numbers represents a rational number? Square root of 2. No, guys. No. Okay, we are in the next one, number 1.3. Choose the correct value. 30 times 4 times 2 is equal to, is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? So we can see that the letter that is being spammed insanely in the comment section is none other than letter C. All right, letter C is being spammed like insanely there in the comment section. People going wild in the comment section there with letter C. Right, Balendle is even saying it's like cyan. Yeah, C, hey? All right, so yes. All right, choose the correct value. You guys are saying C. Now, guys, can we check? Is it A, 30 plus 2 in brackets times 4? No ways. Is it perhaps B, 30 times 2 plus 4? No ways. C, 30 times 2 in brackets times 4? Kinda looks like it. D, 30 plus 4 in brackets times 2. Bleh. So, bleh. It's C. Okay, so you guys that said C, so beautiful. You can see people are saying the answer for both the question and C is 240. Now, guys, I want to ask you this other question. What property are we seeing being represented by the question and the answer C? In the comment section, I need you guys to tell me what is the property. So, Tseho, you're saying?
It's associative property.
Okay. You are saying it's the associative property. Okay, associative property. Because I'm guessing the reason is what? Why are you saying it's the associative? Okay, so I was wanting to ask or find out why associative. Okay, because I want to bring you guys to remembrance that could it be associative in this situation? 30 times 4 times 2 is equal to what they've written is 30 times 2 times 4, but they wrote this in brackets. Remember, guys, multiply and brackets mean the same thing. So it is not actually associative. Remember, guys, that with associative, if it was 34 times 4 times 2, right, is equal to 30 times 4 times 2. Associative is about associating the first two in the first one, associating the last two, but for the same order of the numbers, for the same order. So this is associative here. This one has to do with the change in the order of the numbers. Change in the order of the numbers. Don't be fooled by the bracket and then think it's associative. No, no, no. And don't be fooled by the brackets to think it's distributive. No, no, no. It's commutative. Commutative property. Because the commutative, not communicative, ne? Let's be very careful with that. We don't want to be saying the wrong thing. Commutative. Okay? Yeah, I know it's what you mean, your Oms. Yeah, I understand that. But now we need to be very clear, guys. You know? So for instance, there's a word here, the word commute. This is a word used by people that travel. King Gaba, thank you so much. King Gaba, thank you so much for the 3 roses. I really appreciate it, sir. Thank you. I just want to say that I really appreciate gifts. Too much, eh? I am, it's my love language. It's my love language. You know, because I know myself well, gifts, they do something to me. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it. King Gaba, Ndiabonga, Kialebocha, Tata. Koskakhulu, mfokabawo. Commute. The word commute has to do with change. Okay. So if you are commuting to work, for instance, you see, we usually use words like this. You commute to work. You are going to move from your place of residence to the place where you stay. That is commute. Okay. You have a daughter who's in grade 11 and struggling with maths. King Gaba, you must tell your daughter to join my live. Where did your... Because yesterday I actually did a live lesson. I did a live session with the grade 11s last night. It ended around about like 3 o'clock this morning, you know, because some of the grade 11s were writing maths paper 1 today, and some of them are writing maths paper 1 tomorrow. So I'll be having a live lesson, but not on this TikTok platform. Please, you can tell your daughter to go and follow me. Maths is a game. Maths is a game. All right. I have another TikTok platform which is called Maths is a Game. It has a white profile picture, not this green one. This one I use to help grade 8s, 9s, and 10s. But today I'm helping grade 8s specifically and 9s. Later on this evening at 10 p.m. to 12 p.m., 12 early hours of the morning, I will be helping the grade 11s. So you can tell your daughter to join. Just go and follow me on that TikTok page, and then she can pull up. I even have the live lesson that I did yesterday uploaded onto my YouTube channel. The link to the YouTube channel is in my bio, so your daughter can even check that out in the process. But what I'm saying is that I can help, at least I can help the little bit that I can. If your daughter can join that live lesson, I can probably have her as a guest, and then she can just let me know, I'm King Gaba's daughter. You know, you touched my heart there with the gift, so I'd be happy to help. Okay, guys. Unfortunately or fortunately, we'll be ending this live lesson in the next 20 minutes. Okay, I'm not going to be staying for long for you guys, so I just want to finish this up. So, guys, commutative property. I think we got that point, ne? 30 times 4 times 2, commutative property. Type. Remember, for grade 10s, I've been helping you guys for the past few. Okay, so all the grade 10s that are here, this is what I want to show you. This is the only thing I have to say to you. Here is what I have to say. Let me just show it in the form of pictures. Let's do this very quickly. Sorry guys, I just want to do this quickly. Grade 10s that are here, you guys have been getting the best of me. I'm sorry to say so. You guys, you have been getting the best. I have a YouTube channel, guys. The YouTube link to my YouTube channel is in my bio. Go to the bio, you click on the YouTube link, it will send you out of TikTok to my YouTube channel. The lessons I've done for grade 10, guys, there are so many. All right. And what I've done in Mercy, I've uploaded. Okay. I have uploaded the live lessons I did, you know. So they are there. They are there for you to behold, to watch, and to see. So please, guys, grade 10s, look there. Okay, so if in my YouTube channel I uploaded 6 hours ago the grade 11 maths paper 1 June exam 2026 that I covered. That 3-hour 42-minute live lesson is the one I did last night till the early hours of this morning at 3 a.m. And I was doing questions on exponents and surds for grade 11s, equations, inequalities, nature of roots, functions. Okay, it's packed, that live lesson. You can spend some time, watch segments of it. All right. So that's grade 11. Grade 10. Hi guys, go there. You see, grade 10 maths paper 1. The live lessons I've done here, I've uploaded them there. Go and watch them. Go spend some time with them, please. Please go spend some time with it. You know, I cannot say more than what I'm saying. There's so much content for the grade 10s that I've put up there. So guys, yeah, like I said, it will be like me repeating like a broken record, the same thing over and over again. But this is some of the content that's there. Go to my videos, go and check out. Okay, I also have grade 12 stuff, of course, calculus and so forth. But what I'm saying is that grade 11, grade 10, yeah, there's inundated content there. You can go and check it out. All right. Okay. So that's all I have to say to y'all. Okay. Grade 8 graphs, she says. Okay. Let's first finish answering these questions. Maybe in the last few minutes, I can do grade 8 graphs. Right. Which one of the following is the... Yes, it's only maths, guys. I'm only maths, unfortunately. I know you guys want help with so many other things, but at the moment, my primary focus is still maths. Maybe in time, I'll diversify. But for now, I am obsessed with maths because it is one of the subjects most people are finding difficult, and it doesn't have to be. Tsecho, which one of the following is the multiplicative inverse of negative 2/4/5? I think Tsecho, or anyone actually, you're welcome to answer. Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Do we understand what the term multiplicative inverse is?
D.
Okay, someone is saying D. Your momsy is saying, your umsi is saying D. Anyone who's like saying no, it's not that, it's this one actually.
I think it's B.
Okay, someone is saying it's B rather. You mean this one? Okay, I heard you. Okay, Balenda is also saying it's B. Ria is saying it's C. Your Umsi says, I made it a proper fraction. You made it a proper fraction first. Okay. But I think, guys, it's in your face, this thing.
I also think
Say you
Miniar
made
is
it a proper fraction. Sorry?
I also think it's B. Same here.
Okay, very good. We have B again. All right. So we have D, we have B, and some people are saying C. Okay, grade 8 and 9. So if we take this negative 2/4/5, this is a mixed, some call it a mixed number, some refer to it as a mixed fraction. Okay, you can convert this, yes, to an improper. So the improper fraction, 5 times 2, just ignore the negative sign. 5 times 2 is what? 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So we have negative 14/5. What is a multiplicative inverse? What is the role of basically a multiplicative inverse? The objective of using the multiplicative inverse is so that we can get 1 as an answer. So we are actually asking ourselves, what do I multiply the negative 14 over 5 with in order to get positive 1? So the product of the given fraction with the multiplicative inverse should give me the answer positive 1. That is the role of your multiplicative inverse. It's so that we can get a product which is positive 1. Multiplicative inverse, the role of a multiplicative inverse is so that the product of the given fraction and the multiplicative inverse is to get 1. So the answer then is clearly going to be what?
Negative
It
5
can't, yeah, it has to be what?
Oh,
Remember the
20
given fraction is negative 14 over 5.
Yes, what's
So
gonna
what
be
is,
in the box there? Negative
sorry?
5 over 14.
Negative 5 over 14. Okay, so that then is actually going to be what? A, B, C, or D?
B.
It's going to be B. So all those that said it's B, you're 100% correct. The answer is truly going to be B. Can't be A, can't be C. It can't be D. It is definitely B. So I think what your UMSI said about changing the mixed number first to improper is very important. Then after doing that, we can then check. All right. I usually say to my learners that whatever the fraction is, you flip that fraction and you retain or keep the same sign. Flip the fraction, keep the sign. Flip the fraction, keep the sign. That is your multiplicative inverse. You flip the fraction, you keep the very same sign, and that should basically give you the multiplicative inverse, which, and if you multiply with the number that, or the fraction that was given, it truly does give you positive 1. Okay. Okay. 1.5. Which one? Yes, Ompil, I'll do gradients. Don't worry. Okay. Which one of the following is the correct value of 2 squared times 3 to the power 3, the whole thing squared? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D?
I agree, the answer is A.
In the comment section, we have a lot of answers. Debs are the small. They're saying B. P302 Fly says C. Man B says B. Right? And you two girls are saying A. What is the man there saying?
I also say it's A.
Okay. You also say A. Okay. We've got the roses amongst the thorn. So we are saying in the majority here that it is A. Okay. All right. So if we look at the exponent, when we actually really apply what is there, all right. I mean, practically speaking, if we look at the exponent, apply what's there. 2 squared times 3 to the power 3, the whole thing squared. The law tells us that we say 2 to the power 2 times 2, 3 to the power 3 times 2. We actually distribute the exponent to each respective exponent with its base because the bases are multiplied. That gives us 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 6. 2 to the power 4 is 16. What is 3 to the power 6?
729.
720. Exactly. And then you do the multiplication. L, remember, be careful. 3 to the power 6 is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. It's not 3 times 6. Okay, because I think sometimes we make the error too often of thinking that exponent, we are multiplying the base and the exponent. No, 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 no. However many times you see the exponent is the number of times you need to multiply the base with itself. Okay. Give feet. Oh my goodness, that's funny. Yeah. So because you finished with maths, no guys, no, 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 no. It doesn't matter, even if you're done. Is that what L is saying, by the way? Are you both done with maths?
I hate maths. It's not for the weak.
But what I'm saying is that when the comment there in the comment section, is that saying she's done with writing, or is it more like maths is finishing her? What's happening?
Yeah, now offensive maths. And then I'm like,
Yeah, Kalong, I want the explanation. What do you guys mean by that? I feel like I'm missing what you guys are saying.
this, we are saying we failed mathematics because maybe like the answers we thought they were wrong.
Oh, okay. All right. I hear you. Okay. All right. Thank you for explaining that to me, because I sometimes miss what you guys are saying. It's almost as if just like I miss what you guys are saying because I don't understand what you are saying, right? It's the same thing that you probably do because you don't understand what 3 to the power 6 means. But you see, the thing is, when you get to a place of understanding and you know what you are doing, then there's no ways that you'll be just getting things incorrect. So I'm sure when you multiply 16 times 7, 29, you get that 11,664. So that's where that comes from. Okay. So that's why we say it's A. Definitely A. Can't be anything else. Then we have functions and relationships. Functions and relationships. Okay. Choose the correct answer for the value of A in the following diagram. Let me just wait for you. A is the input, and there is its corresponding output. And then there's a rule in the middle. So, oh my goodness, what's happening here now? Who do we put in to get that 7 out? What does this even mean? 2x plus 1. What is 2 going to do to x before we add 1? And I think you can always go in reverse with this thing, Moss. If you go in the inverse direction, we say 7. We're not going to say plus 1. We're going in the opposite direction. So we're going to say 7. What's the opposite of plus?
Yes.
So we say 7 minus 1. And then what does 7 minus 1 give us? 6. Then instead of multiplying by 2, we do the inverse of multiplication, which is, remember this 2 and this x, they have a relationship. They are combined by multiplying. So firstly we say 7, we don't say plus 1, we say 7 minus 1, that gives us 6. Then what is the opposite of multiply? Because 2 is multiplied to x, but we're not going to say multiply, we're going to say
Divide.
exactly, divide by 2. So what's 6 divided by 2?
Right.
So that gives you the answer of the input if you go in the opposite direction. So you guys said it's B, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And truly it is, guys. It's B. No doubt. No doubt. No doubt at all. Okay. Beautifully B. Yeah. Obviously, guys, there's obviously more stuff. It's just that, like I said, for the purpose of just today and the live, I just wanted to get us all kick-started there. Did someone say, the person who said to me, no, Hopewell, I'm not doing grade 10 today. Unfortunately, not doing grade 10. Grade 10s, you guys have had your time in the sun. You have too much time in the sun. Yeah, I have to give others equal time, guys. It would be so unfair. I'm constantly going on here. I've been going on here for grade 10. Okay, it's unfair, and it's gonna feel like I'm not giving others equal time. So that's why today you see me giving the others a chance. Okay. Okay, someone said, can you do gradient? Is that person still here? Because obviously that's grade 9. Okay.
Can I ask,
Yes.
when are you gonna do grade 9s?
What, are you in grade 9?
No.
Or are you asking for someone?
Yes.
Yeah, let's work on a grade 9 lesson. We'll work on a grade 9 lesson for today. Is what? It's Tuesday, right?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do Thursday for a grade 9 lesson. Okay. Oh, you're
What
doing
time?
grade. Oh, grade. Okay. So we'll do one on Thursday for grade 9. Let's just give grade 8s a chance today. All right, so let's look at gradient then, especially because some of you are saying, no, we do gradient in grade 8. Let's do it then. Let's do it. I'm just trying to look for an appropriate questioning. Is it more of like, okay, who's this person? Is it Umpile? Let me have you in here. Come on up. Okay, if I invite you and you don't come up, then I'm not gonna do what you want me to do. I'm not gonna do it. You ask, I give you the opportunity to request. You must come up and face the music. I guess if you don't come up, then it's saying you don't want. So, okay, guys. Then I'm going to have to leave that.
But aren't gradients and all those done in grade 9?
Well, it depends as well. If let's say, for instance, you are, because for instance, not all of you are doing CAPS here. Some of you are in the IEB, Independent Examination Board. So for instance, maybe if you are in grade 8, you guys are already doing that in graphs. Okay. If you're doing that in graphs already, then great. Gradient is something you should know. Okay. So do you all know that, for instance, the equation, let's look at something here. I'm just gonna, if you look at the equation y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to 2x plus 1. Are we doing this yet? Straight line?
Yes.
Yeah. So the important thing here to note, guys, is that this y is equal to m. The m part of your formula stands for
The gradient.
What is gradient?
It's a
Gradient,
slope
what is it in
on a line. On a graph, I mean.
slope? But if I was to ask you, what does it mean?
I only know it's
Gradient,
a graph.
okay, gradient is the measure of how steep a line is. Okay? It's a measure of how steep your line is. So how steep your line is what we refer to as the gradient. So this m value, okay, stands for gradient. And it's for a straight line. Straight line what? Equation. The other word we use, obviously, is linear. Linear function. Okay? We use those words interchangeably. Straight line or linear. Okay? Now listen, guys. The m, like I said, is your slope, your gradient, the measure of how steep a line is. All right? That's very important for you to know. Now, when your m value is positive, this is positive, the straight line slopes upwards. This is the direction in which your line will go. Okay, but your straight line equation must be in this form first for you to judge what the gradient of the function is, or the gradient of the straight line is. So that's m. When m is positive, your straight line is an increasing straight line. Okay? Following? Following. When your m value is less than 0, in other words, your m value is negative, your straight line is a decreasing function, meaning it's sloping downwards. So this one slopes up, this one slopes down. Negative, down. Positive, up. Negative, down. Positive, up. Increase, up. Decrease, down. Slope downward, slopes upwards. Then, sometimes your value of the gradient is 0. What happens if you multiply something with 0, guys? Exactly. Because 0 is referred to as the identity element for multiplication. 0 is called the identity element for multiplication. That's why multiplying with 0, any number will give you 0. 0 becomes 0. 0 doesn't lose his identity the minute he gets multiplied with any number. 0 becomes the identity. Hence we call 0 the identity element for multiplication. All right. Our line, when m is 0, is a horizontal line where our y value is constant. Y is constant on the horizontal line. Then the last and final condition that our gradient can possibly be in is when m is undefined. M is what? Undefined.
Defined.
When m is undefined, then our line is going to be vertical, meaning x, not y. The x value is the one that is going to be what? Constant for our vertical line. So these are the conditions of M for your straight line when given any equation. Lastly, there is this C. What does C stand for? If M is gradient, what do we say C is?
The y-intercept, maybe.
Amen. That's not maybe. It is 100% correct. All right. Ooh, I just met you. You're so crazy. Here's my number. Just call me maybe. No. Call me maybe for what? No. You must be sure, not maybe. Okay? You must know for sure. C is the y-intercept. Full stop. Okay? Y-intercept. Okay? And y-intercept, obviously, we know y-intercept. That's where the value of x is 0, but the y value, the y coordinate of the y-intercept is given by the c value. So whatever y is, it is going to be the c value. Okay? So yes, y-intercept, where the graph or the straight line cuts, overlaps, or crosses the y-axis. Okay, so when you are asked to calculate gradient, guys, let's be practical, man. Let's say you are given a point. Let's say that point is A, and let's say the coordinates are 2 and 3. And let's say you are given another point. Let's say the coordinates are what? -2, and let's say -8. Then they say to you, calculate the gradient. Calculate the gradient. Now I'm trying to help my girl who asked the question in the comment section. Hopefully it is the question that they were asking. They just need to confirm for me in the comment section that yes, sir, this is what I wanted. Ompile. Is it Ompile or X Mpile? I don't know. Is it X Mpile or is it Ompile? What's happening there? Someone in the comment section had asked. Okay, I need them to confirm. If they don't confirm, I'm going to abandon this thing. I'm not going to continue.
So now I can try and answer this. And this is actually grade 9 work, but it's fine.
And yet, okay, Ompile, which grade are you in, my guy, my girl? Are you in grade 8 or 9? Just confirm for me in the comment section. Okay, any grade, you're in grade 8. So, and is it IEB or CAPS? Let's also be specific about that. IEB or CAPS? Because this is the significant difference sometimes. IEB, private schools, versus CAPS, government schools. Most subscribe to that. So which one? Xmpile, we are waiting for your answer. For your comment. It's like everybody's waiting. I think your school is fast and gives you things for grade 9. There we have it. Thank you, Mpile. Now you're confirming exactly what I was saying. No, Mpile and attends a private IEB. They definitely expose their learners to things that you guys don't get exposed in the grade that you are in. This is the reality, guys. Okay, and I'm guessing Mpile probably goes to a very good IEB school. There's no doubt. Probably knows her stuff, and that's why she refuses to take my invite. this it's just that, like, yeah, such live lessons are beneath her. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just trying to get her to actually accept my invite so that we can chat. But no. Okay, anyways, guys, so calculate the gradient. So I'm going to help Mpilo because she wants to know. grade 8s, this is also, I mean, if you're getting exposed to this, then great, isn't it? Great. So how do we calculate the gradient? There's a formula that we know. Oh, the gradient formula. This one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this one. So what does the formula say?
Y2 minus Y1
Mm-hmm.
over X2 minus X1.
Okay.
And
So there are
M is
those
gonna
who, so just wait before we jump into what we are going to do. There are those who use the numbers. Then there are those who use the letters. Doesn't matter. Either way, it's the same thing. So those that use the letters, by convention, have the things that they need to substitute. Because if you say your letters are A and B, then it means you are going to say YA minus YB, meaning the Y coordinate of A minus the Y coordinate of B over the X coordinate of A minus the X coordinate of B. It helps you to avoid having to label the 2 points and then having to label them and then having to substitute. So if you have the letters of the points, then I mean, you know, what better way? Remember, if you start with A at the top, you start with A at the bottom. You don't say YA minus YB and then all of a sudden you say XB minus XA. Letter consistency. Just like here, number consistency. If you start with 2 with Y, you start with 2 with X. If you decide to start with 1 with Y, you must start with 1 with X. Make sense? Sense making? Yeah. Sense making for me is very key. Sense making, making sense, sense making, making sense. So, yeah, I think Mpila, we are there now where you want us to be. All right. So let's give Tshepo. Go ahead, Dike. What were you going to say?
Okay. Got a name. The first one I get is X1, so you're gonna write X1 minus. Oh no, okay, let's label them name. It's X1 and Y1.
Yes.
And then copy it's X2 and Y2.
Yes.
Okay, then it's gonna be easier. So go Y2, it's gonna be -8 minus
-8 minus
3
minus 3, yes.
over
Yes.
-2
-2
minus 2.
minus 2. Then you're done. Then at the top, that's the subtraction. -8 minus 3 is equal to negative 11 over -4. Then what's a negative divided by negative?
Negative. Oh no, it's a positive.
Okay, it's a positive 11 over 4. So that is our gradient, the gradient of AB. Okay. So if you look at it, this line, we said you can see it's an increasing line. The gradient is truly positive. It agrees with the fact that if we have an increasing line, we should be having a positive gradient. It wouldn't make sense that after seeing this line and the direction that it is going, we find that we have a negative gradient. That would mean you've made a mistake yourself in your calculation. Okay. Okay. Mpile, are you answered? I need Mpile in the comment section to clarify or confirm if we've answered how we calculate gradient. Okay, if we decided to use the letters, then of course YA minus YB, the y coordinate of A would be 3, minus YB, meaning the y coordinate of B, that's negative 8. So already there's a minus sign, so we say minus minus in brackets minus 8 over x coordinate of A, that is 2, minus negative 2. So we say 2 minus minus in brackets negative 2. Then of course, what's 3 minus minus 8? A negative times a negative is a positive, so it's 3 plus 8 over 2 minus minus 2, that's 2 plus 2. We then add the numerator, 11 over 4. Still same answer. So whatever approach you decide to use, at the end of the day, the answer will materialize. We just need to be careful of our signs, careful of our numbers, and careful with our division and the signs. And all should be well all the time.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Guys, I think that's as much as I have for y'all. I think that's all I can share with you today. All right. Please continue to prep properly. Okay. Grade 8s, I'll probably see you again tomorrow. Okay. One more time. But it will definitely, tomorrow it will probably be at 8. 8 to 9 or 8 to 9:30, so that I can actually devote some time later on in the night to the grade 11. So unfortunately, the grade 10s, I'm pushing you back a little bit for now. Hey, you can go to my YouTube channel, guys. I've been doing live lessons with you guys. There's too much content there. If you want to do functions, there's something on functions on my YouTube channel. We've done live lessons. I have the content already uploaded for you. You can watch the live lesson. Unfortunately, you won't interact with me. You'll be seeing me interact with the others. I was interacting with Campbell the one night. I was interacting with Cholo the other night. Campbell has just commented in the comment section. I mean, there's many people that I've interacted with here on the platform. Samuel today has been the lucky one as well. And Tsecho, you guys have been amazing guests for grade 8s. I think you've been an astounding, amazing representation of what math students should actually be reflecting as far as what they've been taught at their schools. And you guys are just amazing, grade 8s and 9s. So yeah, you keep up the good work, and let's see the marks reflect when you guys get your report cards at the end of the term.
Sorry, Minyar, last request.
Last request for what now?
Nah, Minyar, I want you to give me an equation or something like that for grade 10.
You want me to give you an equation?
Yes, more like a complicated.
For what, my later? What do you want the equation for?
I just want to practice.
You want to practice?
You could give
when when are you writing? When are you writing?
I think next week or next week. I'm not quite sure.
Ah, this guy, you don't even know when you are writing. So when are you been in grade 10 all along? Just submarine.
I'm doing grade 9.
Why do you want grade 10 equations, my guy?
To enhance my
To enhance. Are you guys listening to this guy? Tsecho, are you listening? Tsecho, are you listening to this guy? Yo, this guy is not messing around. He wants to enhance. Hey, some kids, they don't mess around. Okay, here's, I'm sure you've seen this stuff before, man. You've seen this stuff.
Hi, I know this. Yo, where's my pen?
So you can screenshot this for yourself, my guy. You know, you did it, Jongo. Umbal is like, we did it, we did it, we did it.
That's all I wanted, Minyar. Thanks a lot.
That's all I wanted, body. This Mr. Enhancer guy. I'm going to call you Enhancer. The next time I see you, Samuel, Enhancer is who you are.
So, jala 2017.
Yeah. But this is same content. Remember, Yeah, the maths has been mathsing for years, man. You know. Yeah. So yeah, here's more for you because you are interested, Mr. Enhancer. Okay, do you feel enhanced? Okay. Yeah, he's saying yep in the comment section. Okay, guys, thank you so much. It was really a pleasure. Tseho, thank you so much. You were great sports this evening. Amazing. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. Then
It was nice being here and interacting with everybody else. Thank you.
okay, thank you. You're welcome. What's happening there? What's happening there with Shami? Hey, Shami. Woo. Shami. All right. I'm just trying to gravitate out. Loki. Jesus loves you. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Jesus loves me. Woo. Isn't that so reassuring? Loki. Loki?
Hi.
Loki. How are you, Loki?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
No, I'm doing swell. I just thought it would be rude if I didn't accept your request. You had requested earlier on. I'm sorry that I didn't accept it then. Are you okay? Are you well?
Yes.
Yeah. What's happening? What's happening in your side of the world? And what was the reason for your request? I know it's later on that after you requested.
I just needed some help with algebra.
What part of algebra?
Like the one whereby, okay, let me quickly get something in order to be precise.
Ooh, precision is everything. Ooh. All right. Shami, Thursday, I said Thursday, Moss. Thursday, that's 10 on 8. Okay, I'm just trying to wind down till the end of the night because yeah. Okay. Trying to get precision in here. She wants to be precise, so precision is everything. Man, kids nowadays are like kumshering like crazy. The paper is blurry. There's no paper. There's just my desk. So the paper is blurry.
It's
no paper.
using the distributive property and solving equations.
Okay, let's have the question. What does the question say?
So the question says, should I just say like the sum out?
Say it.
So it's 4
4.
open
Okay,
bracket
that's 4 open brackets.
x plus 2
plus 2. At night, Shami.
close bracket
Sorry. Close bracket.
plus
Plus
1 negative 2
negative 2
open bracket x plus 4
x plus 4.
yes
Oh, not 2, sorry.
No.
My bad. X plus 4
equals 0.
So must I close the bracket?
Oh, sorry. Yes, please.
Okay. Equals 0.
Yes.
So the question is solve for x.
Yes.
Or solve the equation. Can I quickly ask you a question?
Yes.
Do you know what you should be doing in a question like this?
looking for what x is, like the number of the
Yeah.
variable.
Yeah. I know you are asking me the question, but I'm wondering if do you have any idea as to what you could do to start this off? And what I'm gonna
Yes.
do, yeah. So let's listen.
So I know that like you should first work out the sum itself, then you're gonna get your answer, then you're gonna have to find out what the answer for the variable is, then you're gonna maybe have to divide or add or multiply or something like that in order to get the number.
Okay. All right. So let's go.
So should I work it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I first do it on paper, then I can...
Sure. I'd be happy. Yeah. Sure. I'll give you 5 minutes. I
Okay,
can't
thank
give you more than that.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm done. Hello.
So you done?
Yes.
Okay. So
So I said 4x.
sorry, just a sec.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Okay. So you said it's 4x.
Yeah. So like this is my answer.
That's fine.
Plus 8.
Plus 8. How did you get 4x plus 8? Because that's correct. How did you do it?
So I said so isn't it, it's the 4. So the in maths the brackets means multiply. So I said 4 times 2, which gave me 8. So yeah.
Okay. So you multiplied the 4 and the x, the 4 and the positive 2 using the
Yes.
distributive law. Very good. Okay, then
Then I said plus 1.
Yes.
Then I said minus 2.
Yeah.
Then like minus 2x. Sorry, minus 2x.
Minus 2x, yes.
Then I said minus 8,
Minus 8. Okay,
which
good
gave
job. So far, I'm proud. Okay, and then
equals 0.
I'm proud what you did on the left-hand side. That's why I'm clapping for you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Equals to 0.
Okay, epic, equal to 0. Then?
Then this is the like next step. I said 2x
Mm-hmm.
plus 1 equals 0. And then with the next step, like it's underneath that one, I said the 2x equals to negative 1 over, yeah. And then with the next, like this is the next step, I said x equals negative 1 over 2.
So how did you get x is equal to negative 1 over 2? There was a 2 there. All of a sudden, we don't see it anymore. What happened?
So it's because once it's a 2x, I need to find what x is. So I remove the 2 and automatically it becomes an x and not 1x because that 1 is invisible. So therefore I have to divide negative 1, which gave me negative 1.5.
Okay, so I have a serious big question for you, Loki.
Yeah.
Why did you ask me to do this for you when you can do it so well?
I wasn't quite sure of my answer, so I just needed to clarify because this is the one that I'm mainly struggling with.
Okay. Well, then let me be the one to reassure you and say, Loki, you know what you know it very well. I think it's high time that you stepped into the confidence that is due to you. Just be confident in what you know and you should do well.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And I sense here that we have a girl that does not just have confidence, but has
Thank you.
yeah. So I think I mean if you have that, then I mean you have no reason to not believe in yourself.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much as well. Thank you for asking your question and thank you for being vulnerable enough to ask your question and then I mean absolutely just obliterate your own question and do so well in it. Like it's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. All right. So, yeah, guys, I wind down. It's your boy. What's happening? It's your boy, KG. Okay, it's your boy. Didn't really wanna. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Yeah, this is where the live has to come to a beautiful end, I think. Let's see what this exclamation mark wants. Hello, exclamation mark.
Hi,
How are you, exclamation mark?
I'm good, thanks, and how are you?
I'm very well, exclamation mark.
So are we just doing equations?
No. We're not doing equations. There was someone who asked to, have me help her in answering an equation question, which they had produced. But we found that that person was, knew it very well. So she was more than capable of doing it, and she did it, and very well, might I add. So yeah, we're not doing equations. I was just trying to clear out all the requests so that I can actually leave the live. So you had requested, so I thought let me take it up and not be rude. So what is happening? Exclamation mark.
Oh, sorry. If you're ready to leave, it's fine. I'll just come tomorrow if you're going to be live again.
What grade are we in? Exclamation mark.
Grade 9.
Oh, awesome! Exclamation mark. And tell me, do you have? When are you writing, or have you written already, Matt? Maths, that is.
I'll be writing next week, Thursday.
Next week. Awesome.
Yeah.
On Thursday, I'll have a live lesson for grade 9s specifically.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I'll join.
Yeah. Sure thing. It was really great to meet you! Exclamation mark.
Likewise. Thank you.
Is there a reason why you have an exclamation mark?
No, I just like hiding my name.
All right. Well, you've done a good job! Exclamation mark.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, I'll be seeing you then. Cheers. All right. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. It was really good. It was really real. I really like hiding my name. I like that. Okay, guys, have yourself a good one. I'm out. I'm off. To your toodles. Aye. Campbell, you were here, Mossy. Campbell, you were here. Campbell. Hey, Cam. Campbell.
To ask.
How's it, Campbell?
To ask.
What's up, Campbell?
I wanted to ask.
What's up, Campbell?
Okay, you said you're gonna make a live lesson next week. So which time are you gonna make it?
No, not next week. Who's this now? Grade what?
Grade 9.
No, I said Thursday. I'm having a live lesson for grade 9s. Thursday. Grade 9.
Which time?
8. On the PMs.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think anything else that is changing or anything else about any other announcement, I'll make a plan to try and get a poster posted on my homepage and my stories if there's anything about maybe a lesson that happens in the morning or something like that, or in the afternoon. Okay.
Okay.
Sure, Campbell. There was actually someone that asked about you. Hey, I think I went live this morning, and then someone was like, "Aibo, where's Campbell?" I'm like, "Aibo, just because we had her the one time, all of a sudden, where is Campbell? Are you kidding me?" Hey, my son. So I think you were popular with some people. They were like, that one is smart. No, this Ike. Like Ike. All right. Well, cheers, Campbell. I must leave the live now. Okay.